Hello again, Bart here from Bodjabart. We're going to finish up this axle, I hope, finally. We've just got to drill and tap a hole in here, in each end, and get it ready for key weighing. But at the moment we're just going to drill and tap so we can, for when this goes on here. Alright, and we've got a couple of visitors today. We've got young Shelby down here. She'll probably disappear when I start making a noise. And her friend Scully the pug, who's my son's dog and his partner's dog, who are here at the moment. And that's young Scully. Say g'day, Scully. So these two are pretty good mates. They get on alright. Shelby sometimes entices Scully to try and play, but Scully doesn't have a bar of it. She's a little bit older. Aren't you, Scully? Hey? You're a little bit older, aren't you? Hey? Yeah. She gives old Grandad here a hard time, don't you? You bark like mad at him, but she has him. Hey, Shelby. And of course, Shelby over there. She's just a dream, aren't you? Hey? Yeah. Isn't she a dream? Yeah. Hey? Alright? Yeah, I know. She loves his chops scratched. Look at this. Yeah. Hey? Yeah. Right. Spoiled her. Okay, time to get on to it. We'll take that out. Got the tap here, but this one doesn't have a little wee piece in the end. So what we'll do is clean the flutes out. Probably with something better than my finger, eh? There we go. There we go. Alright, we'll get some roll coal on him. Don't need quite that much. Just pop that on there. This is only to get it started. Right. And then we'll just rotate the head. Hopefully it'll just pull the tap in enough to get it started so we get it going straight. Oh dear. Okay. That wasn't such a good idea. Humbug. Damn. Should have been an 8.5. Oh well. Definitely mucked that one up. It was way, I should have known. It was way too easy. It's hardly put a thread in there at all. I should have known better. Okay. Just means we drill it out to 12mm. Won't we? Just hope the nut I can get it done up alright. Should be able to. Okay, 12mm it is. Maybe it was meant to be, eh? Here we go, we're just going to do the same as before. And I just pushed on it. And I reckon, I thought I'd made another boo-boo, but I haven't. I reckon this one's going to be tougher. Cut the drill size down a bit. I think we might have to clear it a bit more. Yep. Should have been that size to start with. Ooh. She jumped out on me. This is the best way to get it started anyway. You know you're getting it straight. cut the drill size down to 10mm, but it's awfully tight in there. I think I'll have to go to 10.5. Okay, now we've got to make some flat washers. Well, not flat, stepped washers. I'm going to use this here, this piece of metal. So first things first, we've got to face it up. Stick it out a bit because I've got to make two. Right, glasses. Let's face them up first, eh? Shelby's still in with me. She's sleeping over there by the other car. Right. Deburr it a bit. There we go. Right. Now we just have to part it off. And I bought a parting tool, but guess what? Like all the best laid plans, mine don't always work. And this one here doesn't fit. It misses by fractions. It doesn't fit me tool holder. So I'm going to have to cut it down. I wonder if it's hardened. What I'll do is I'll just grind it down a bit across the top. That should be alright. Just enough to get it in, and hopefully it lines up. Do I do that now? Or do I just make another one? See, I've got this one and it nearly gets through there. I think I'll just make this one up, eh? see what happens. Right, we'll go and turn this down and we'll see what we can do. Okay, here we go. We've done this. So we've got this little stepped washer. You can see it fits in there. And then you run a bolt through, tighten it up, and there's no move, just minimal movement on that there. So there's one on that side, and there is also one on this side. And then that locks them in place, as you can see. And the wheel fits on there good. So that's practically the axle finished, apart from we've got to cut the keyways in there. And then we have to do the brake caliper mount and the sprocket. But hey, looking pretty good now. I'll get onto that later. So I'll probably try and, I might try and do the keyways another time. So we'll leave that there for now, and I'll get back to it tomorrow, hopefully. I've come back. What I've done is I've actually tidied up. As you can see, I've packed the lathe up, put it all away, tidied it all up, taken the shaft out of here, and I went and cheated and had to go on this new machine that I've got here. It's called a milling machine, and what I've done is I had a crack at cutting the keyway, and I've still got a couple more to do, so I'll show you that in the next video. But if you can see down here, there's actually a slot just in there. If you have a look, hopefully you can just see the wee slot in there, and it's a 6mm, and I've cut down through there. So that's my first one I've ever done. Nice new machine. Now I have to take this out, turn it around, do the other end, and then put a couple in the middle. So that'll be the next video. And yeah, so we'll leave it at that, and we'll just do that. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.